Hello, I'm Nomakhaya Monaheng and welcome to my channel where you learn how to do simple home DIYs and sewing for yourself to make yourself more self-reliant. If you are new here, welcome, and to my returning subscribers, thank you very much. So on today's video, we'll be learning how to clone your own t-shirt and make a pattern out of it so that you could replicate and make more t-shirts like it. For me, I'm using this t-shirt that I love so much. It is a size smaller, so that's why I'm leaving more space on the other side. So you need to make sure that your t-shirt is lined at all corners. Fold your paper into two, and then now we're going to start by tracing out your pattern. I've started off with tracing the shoulders, then the sides, and then the neck. If you look at my t-shirt, it's folded on the front side, but I'll be using that as my back side. The back neck, it's not deeper than the front of your neck. When you are done, you can use your ruler or your free hand to go over the tracings that you have done. Just follow the lines through and then just label your pattern up. Like I said, I'll be using this as my back. And then now we're gonna go and trace out your armholes. So you will follow the curve that you have on your current t-shirt. So tracing out the armholes is a bit tricky because of the curve. Follow through with the tracing, and then when you are done, you'll now use your marker to make the line even bolder. And then you will go ahead and then cut our pattern out. When we are done, this is what it looks like. And then on the other side, I'm doing my front. I will start off with doing the neck. Like I said, the front neck is deeper than the back one. So even with tracing your neck, just lay it flat and then follow the curve. And then now we're gonna do the front armhole, which is more deeper than our back armhole. And then go ahead, mark it boldly. When you are done doing that, you can then go ahead and label your pattern to front, and then cut out the armhole and cut out the neck depth as well. When you're done cutting out, your pattern will look something like this. So remember that our armholes are different as well as the neck is also different. So just to explain more, you can play around with your pattern, meaning that if you want your neck to go in deeper, you will go deeper going out like that. And then if you want your strip smaller, you will also play around with the pattern. Now let me show you how to do the sleeves. With the sleeves, hold your paper in half and follow that curve nicely. So this is the front of our sleeve, so trace it out and then it will look like this. Now we're gonna go out and now trace out the back of our sleeves. You do the same also on this side. Trace out the curve. The front and the back of the sleeve don't look the same. The curve is a bit different. The front of our sleeves goes in deeper. For more information about sleeves, do watch the video that I've uploaded about different sleeves. I'll put up the link above. You can then go ahead and then size up your pattern. Everything is fine. We will now move to the collar. So the collar, you first measure out the front neck measurement and also do your back measurement. Add those together and then put it on your pattern paper. So for your collar, it's just a straight rectangle shape. Measure how long you want your neck to be, your collar to be. Mine was 6, so I half that in two. That gave me 3 centimeters, but I definitely know that when I cut my material out, I'm going to cut that on fold. And that's all about cloning your own t-shirt into a pattern. In future, we will be cloning more clothes and making more patterns. Thank you for watching. I hope that you found this video very informative. Don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, and share, and also subscribe. Hashtag Let's Sew with K.